In today's video, I'll show you how to create an opening where the video feels hesitant, slowly revealing itself instead of appearing all at once. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the very beginning of the timeline. This effect works best when used as an intro, so the hesitation feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Reluctant Opening, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the video subtly shifts and eases into view, creating a slow and thoughtful reveal. Use the duration slider to control how hesitant the motion feels. Shorter duration makes the reveal quicker and lighter. Longer duration exaggerates the hesitation, adding suspense and emotion. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the slow reveal matches your narration or music. And that's it. You've successfully added a reluctant opening reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.